Welcome back to our channel. So guys, today we are going to create cycle design in SolidWorks. So let's see how we create M16 cycle in SolidWorks. So I hope you will enjoy this tutorial. So look how we create this part, and later we assemble this part in SolidWorks. So look how we do this in SolidWorks. Now here we can zoom out this cycle. So look how we create this part in SolidWorks. So in this video we will learn how to use revolve features, dome features, revolve cut and many more. So here just we create this part. So go to the file, now select new, and here we select part. Okay, now here we change the background to plain white, and here we select ground plane, right click, sketch, and here we create two circles. So go to the center point and create two circle here. Okay, now go to the smart dimension and select this circle and make it 82 diameter, and select second circle and make it 50 diameter. Okay, now here we create center line. So we create center line from this origin point. Okay, and make sure it is vertical to this center point. So again we go to the line, and here we just create one line. Okay, now select this one and create up to here. Now go to the smart dimension and we select this center point of this line and this line, and here we make the gap between both lines 53.09 mm. Okay, now again go to the smart dimension and here we select this line and make this line 19.03 mm. Okay, now again select this one and make it also 19.03 mm. Okay, now here we define this line, bottom line. So again go to the smart dimension, select this line and make it 16 mm gap. Okay, now again we make this gap between this center line and this line. So here we keep the gap 13.70 mm. Okay, now here we just select and create this line. Okay, now here it's time to create arc. So here we are better to select 3-point arc to create this one. So first we create center line up to here. Okay, now here we select 3-point arc and select this point and select this circle and make the arc up to here. Select. Okay, now again go to the 3-point arc and just we undo this. Again select 3-point arc and select this point and this circle, and here we create. So select it and make it just make inside, so the arc will be created. Okay, now again select center line, and here we just create center line for arc point coincident, make the relation coincident. So first we create center line, so go to the center line and select this and create one center line up to here. Okay, now go to the smart dimension, select this uh, origin point. Okay, make it collinear. Okay, now go to the smart dimension and select this line and make it 34.60 mm. Okay, now select this center line and this line. Here we give the gap between both lines, so make the line distance between the 45.70 mm. Okay, now here we select the arc point and this point and make it merge or coincident on this point. Okay, now go to the smart dimension and make the radius 16, so make it 16. Okay, so again we create one more arc, so go to the 3-point arc, select this point and this circle point and create one arc more. So we just select this one and select this point, and now here we just make inside, so select here and make up to here. Okay, now here we select this one and make it 32 radius, so make it 32. Okay, now here we trim this circular part, so again we make the mirror to this. So first we trim this part, so just trim it and remove this part. So here we just created the arc, so here there is no need to extra part, so select and trim. So go to the trim command and here we select power trim and trim this one. Okay, now here we just mirror this sketch, so go to the mirror command, now select this arc and this line also and make the mirror about this center line, so here we create. Okay, now here we just trim this part sketch, so go to the trim and sketch this one, trim this sketch. Okay, now here we create the sketch. Okay, now here we make the extrude this sketch, so go to the features, select extruded boss base. Now here we forget to trim this sketch, so again go to the sketch, now select trim and here we trim this extra sketch which are disturbing to give the boss stroke. So okay, now here we check, and here we keep the relation. Now here we just trim this extra part sketch. So select. Now again this one and make the relation coincident. Sorry, not coincident, we make the relation tangent. Okay, now here we select and make the relation tangent. Select this one and make it also tangent relation, and here we just okay. Now here go to the trim and trim it also. So again here we create arc. So go to the 3-point arc, select it, and now we create arc from this point to this point and just make inside this arc. Okay, now here we also create the arc. So go to the 3-point arc, select this point and this point. Now we make the arc inside. Okay, now here it's time to make the dimension. So look, go to the smart dimension, select this arc and make this arc 16 radius. So make it 16 radius. So select and make it 16 radius. Okay, now again we select this arc and make it also 16 radius. Okay, now here we it's time to extrude this sketch. So now go to the features, select extruded boss base and make the extrude 16 mm from this mid plane. So make it 16 and select the condition mid plane. Okay, now here we make the fillet to all this side 8 mm fillet. So first we apply the material. So go to the design library, select material, and here we select nickel, and here we select brush nickel, so it looks better. Okay, now go to the fillet, select this edge, and here we keep the fillet 8 mm. Select this one and this one. Okay, so here we keep the fillet 8 mm all this side. Okay, now here we select the front plane, right click, sketch normal, and here we create center line. So here first we create the center line and create center line up to here. Now we select this line and create up to here. Now okay, and just join this line. Here we extruded cut this part, so here we delete this part and create further design, and later we make the mirror of this body. So here first we delete this, trim this part. Okay, now here we select this face, right click, sketch, normal, and here we make it convert into digit. So go to the convert into digit. Now select this face. Okay, now here it's time to make the extrude this sketch. So go to the extruder boss base, and here we make the extrude 8 only, and make the merge result. Okay, so here we create one single body, so it's better to make the parameter merge result. Okay, now here it's time to create the dome feature. So go to the insert and select dome feature. Now here we select this face. So here we need we make the dome of 40 Okay, now here we create dome feature, and again we now here we make the fillet to this edge. So go to the fillet command, and here we make the fillet of 8 So make it fillet, sorry, not 8, we create fillet 16 Okay, now again we create cut out some portion. So select this front plane, right click, sketch, normal, and here we first we create center line. So go to the center line and create center line up to here. Okay, now again we select the line. So go to the line, and here we create line from this point. So here we just create one line here. Now again select, so select this line and create line from here. Here we just need to remove cut out some portion for bolting. So here we just create a sketch. So again we select this line and create the line from this point. So create up to here. Now select this one, and just join this part. Okay, now here we cut this sketch from throughout this body. So go to the extruded cut, and here we cut this portion. So we select and make the direction through all both sides. Okay, so here look, we cut this part body. Now again select this face, right click, sketch, normal, and here it's time to create the circle cutout. So here we just find the center line. So go to the circle, select this point and create the circle up to here. Now select this circle and make it 16.3 diameter. Okay, now here we just cut this circular cutout. So go to the feature, select extruded cut and make the relation through all. Okay, now here we cut this part. Now here we just add the fillet. So go to the fillet, select this edge. So here we better to create variable fillet. So select this edge and we create a V1, make it 6 and V2 create 0. So make the V2 radius 0. It Okay. So again we just make the fillet to this. So again go to the fillet and select this edge, and here we just make the fillet of we create up to here 6. So it will be not work, so it's better to create normal fillet. So again go to the fillet, select this edge, and here we make the fillet of 4 radius. Okay. Now here we just add the fillet to other side. So again go to the fillet, and first we make the fillet of 2 mm inside this circle. Okay. Now again rotate this model, and here we just apply the fillet. So go to the fillet command and select this edge, and here we create fillet 6. So 6 mm is not required, so here we change into 4 mm. So again go to the edit feature, now we select this fillet and make it edit. So just check. So here we apply the 4 mm 4 radius fillet. So just we make the fillet 4 mm this side also. Okay. Now again select this face, right click, sketch, and make it normal, and here we create convert entity. So select and select convert entity, so the sketch will be converted into a sketch body. So here go to the boss extrude and make the extrude this one 7 mm only. Okay. Now here it's time to make the mirror body. So we create and check the merge result. Okay. So here we make the mirror body. So go to the mirror, and here we select mirror face plane. So we just select this face where we keep the mirror. So select this one, and here we select body to mirror. So simply select this body. So here look how we mirror this part. So look how we create this 3D cycle in SolidWorks. So here we create this part, and now we just select and save it our destination. So go to the file, now save it and give the destination your folders. So go select new folder, and here name it M16 cycle. Okay. Now select this one and save it cycle. Cycle main body. Okay. Here we are create and save it our destination. Now here it's time to apply the nut and bolt to this body. So go to the assembly, select OK. Now here we just import this body, so just insert. Now drag up to here and make the background plain white. Okay, now here we just and see the view. Now pan it here. Okay, now again go to the design library. Now select add in now. Okay, now here we just drag and select ANSYS metric. Okay, now here we select this bolt, so here we go to the socket head bolt. Not socket, we just remove this one. Now here we need hex head bolt, so select and simply select this bolt and drag up to here. Okay, so it will just select the dimension, so here the sizes will be M16. Okay, now here we give the length, so go to the length and make the length 90 mm. so 110 mm is too long, so make it 90. Okay, now here it will ask thread design, so we will select simplified. Okay, not simplified, we need systematic, so it will show the thread automatic. Okay, now here we remove this one. Now again we make the relation mate position, so we just select this bolt, right click, select this one and this one, so here we make the relation coincident. Okay, now again we apply the nut, so again go to the design library. Now back this side and here we select nut and select hex nut. Now simply select this nut and drag up to here. Okay, now here we select and make the thread systematic, so threaded will be created automatically, so it's better to look how we show this threaded view of this nut and bolt. Okay, so here we select this nut, right click and see the view mate, so select it and here we delete this coincident mate, so just select and delete it. Okay, now exit this, so untick this. Okay, so here we just mate, so it comes inside, so here we go to the mate, select this face and this face, so it's come to this position. Okay, here we adjust increase the length of this bolt, so it's better to double click on this bolt. So now exit this mate, first we exit this mate, select double on this bolt and here it will show the arrow, so here we can increase or decrease length, so we just make it 110, sorry not 100 mm length. Okay, so here look how we create cycle and we make the assembly of this cycle, nut and bolt. So look this one, now here we just create and zoom out, so look how we design in SolidWorks. So here we create exploded view, so select this bolt and just drag, so again go to the exploded view, select this bolt and drag outside. Okay, now here we select the done feature. Okay, now you can select this dot and just drag opposite side. Okay, and here we just make the exploded view line, so here it will show you how any part assemble in which direction. So select this route line, now select this line, so here it will show how any assembly joints, how we fit any assembly parts. So okay, now here we create the animation. So go to the animation, now here we select rotate, and again we select this animation wizard and select the explode, and here we explode from start time will be 10 and make the duration 8 seconds. Okay, so again go to the animation view wizard and here we select collapse. Okay, select the next and here select the start time, so make it 18 second from 18 second, and here we need 8 second of collapse. Okay, so here we create the animation. So look how we create animation of any assembly part. So look how we do this and create SolidWorks, so it will be exploded from its position. And just come to this their original position, so it will be collapse. So look how we create cycle design in SolidWorks, and later we assemble nut and bolt in SolidWorks. So guys, I hope you will enjoy this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel for more video and project. Thanks for watching.